Hello, my friend. Welcome back to the English Corner by Kay. I hope you've completed the Day 1 and Day 2 practice. If you have, let me know in the comments by typing Day 1 and Day 2 completed. If you haven't watched the previous videos yet, don't worry. You can find them in the cards above. In today's Day 3 Think in English challenge, we're going to practice 50 English sentences for real-life situations. Please pay close attention to the pronunciation and repeat after me. Relax. Listen. Speak. Let's get started. I need to leave now. I need to leave now. I hope I am not late. I hope I am not late. I should walk a little faster. I should walk a little faster. I forgot my water bottle. I forgot my water bottle. I think I locked the door. I think I locked the door. I need to check my bag. I need to check my bag. I have everything I need. I have everything I need. Where did I put my keys? Where did I put my keys? I found them. I found them. Let's go. Let's go. Awesome! You've completed the first 10 sentences. Let's keep going. I need to buy a few things. I need to buy a few things. I should make a list. I should make a list. I only need a few items. I only need a few items. I must not forget the milk. I must not forget the milk. This looks fresh. This looks fresh. I guess this one is cheaper. I guess this one is cheaper. I think I'll buy this. I think I'll buy this. I have enough money. I have enough money. I am ready to pay. I am ready to pay. Okay, it's time to go home. Okay, it's time to go home. Excellent work! You're almost halfway there. Stay focused. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. I want to eat something healthy. I want to eat something healthy. This smells delicious. This smells delicious. I think this will taste good. I think this will taste good. I should drink more water. I should drink more water. Great job! We're halfway through the challenge. Only 25 more sentences to go. That was a good meal. That was a good meal. I feel full now. I feel full now. I have more energy. I have more energy. I am ready to continue my day. I am ready to continue my day. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. There are many people here. There are many people here. I need to wait. I need to wait. The line is moving slowly. The line is moving slowly. I can be patient. I can be patient. It is my turn now. It is my turn now. Fantastic. Just 15 more sentences. You're doing an amazing job. Everything went well. Everything went well. That was easy. That was easy. I am glad it is done. I am glad it is done. Now I can relax. Now I can relax. What should I do next? What should I do next? I have some free time. I have some free time. I will read for a while. I will read for a while. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English. Practice helps me improve. Practice helps me improve. I understand more every day. I understand more every day. Woohoo! Only 5 more sentences. Finish strong. I feel more confident now. I feel more confident now. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. I will keep thinking in English. I will keep thinking in English. Tomorrow is another chance to learn. Tomorrow is another chance to learn. I am becoming a better English speaker. I am becoming a better English speaker. Fantastic job! You have successfully completed the 3-day Think in English challenge, and I'm so proud of you. Give yourself a pat on the back. You've earned it. Don't forget to celebrate by commenting Day 3 completed below. Keep practicing, keep thinking in English, and never stop learning. Also, let me know in the comments which topic you'd like to see next. Your comment might even be featured in one of my future videos. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Until the next video, take care and bye.